Could we use solar shades to terraform Venus? In this video, we'll explore the potential of using advanced space engineering to cool Venus, the challenges it entails, and what this could mean for future space colonization. Welcome to this fascinating exploration of Venus, our fiery neighbor. Did you know that Venus, despite being the second planet from the Sun, is actually the hottest in our solar system? With surface temperatures soaring up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus's atmosphere is a dense, toxic soup mostly composed of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. It's an environment so extreme that it could melt lead. But what if we could change that? What if we could use solar shades to terraform Venus and cool it down to make it habitable? Let's delve into this intriguing possibility. To understand why Venus is so inhospitable, we need to look at its atmosphere. It's 90 times denser than Earth's and primarily composed of carbon dioxide. This leads to a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and creating surface conditions hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is further from the Sun. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid not only contribute to this heat trapping but also reflect sunlight, giving Venus its bright appearance. Understanding these dynamics is crucial if we want to consider geoengineering solutions like solar shades.
Enter the concept of solar shades. Imagine colossal structures, akin to giant space umbrellas, deployed to block or reflect sunlight before it reaches Venus. By reducing the solar energy hitting the planet, we could theoretically lower its temperature. These shades would need to be positioned strategically in space, possibly at the L1 Lagrange point between Venus and the Sun. While still a theoretical concept, solar shades represent a fascinating convergence of science fiction and cutting-edge aerospace engineering. Could this be the key to terraforming Venus?
The science behind cooling Venus with solar shades involves several principles. First, by reducing the solar influx, we can decrease the planet's temperature. This requires altering Venus's albedo, or its reflectivity. By increasing the amount of sunlight reflected away, less heat would reach the surface. However, cooling Venus is not an overnight process. It would require sustained efforts over decades or even centuries. This approach could potentially stabilize the climate enough to start a long-term terraforming project.
Designing solar shades for Venus is a monumental engineering challenge. These structures must withstand the harsh environment of space, including radiation, micrometeoroids, and extreme temperatures. They need to be lightweight yet robust, possibly using advanced materials like graphene. Deployment would require international cooperation and massive space launches. The shades must be positioned precisely to maximize their effectiveness, likely at the L1 Lagrange point to ensure a stable orbit. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of cooling Venus make this an exciting avenue for exploration. Deploying solar shades around Venus is fraught with challenges. The cost alone is astronomical, requiring resources and collaboration on an unprecedented scale. The logistics of manufacturing, launching, and assembling these massive structures in space are daunting. Technologically, we need breakthroughs in materials science and robotics. Moreover, we must consider potential unintended consequences, such as affecting Venus's weather patterns or orbital dynamics. These challenges highlight the complexity of geoengineering on a planetary scale, but they also underscore the innovative spirit driving space exploration. Venus could be the first step in humanity's grand ambition to terraform other planets. If solar shades prove successful, similar technologies could be adapted for Mars or even exoplanets in distant star systems. Venus serves as a testbed, pushing the boundaries of our scientific and engineering capabilities. However, the ethical implications of such endeavors cannot be ignored. We must consider the potential impacts on indigenous life forms, planetary ecosystems, and the broader cosmos. As we look to a future where terraforming becomes feasible, these are the questions we must grapple with.
Solar shades represent a bold and visionary idea that could revolutionize our approach to terraforming and space exploration. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to explore the cosmos. As we consider these possibilities, we invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which space scenario you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts.